Hey iStylers, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I am participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by a wonderful friend here on YouTube, and that is Thrift Queen, otherwise known as Joan Brodie, and it is the Hop into Spring Tablescape. You guys know I love a good tablescape, and I have my table set for Easter. So I decided to do an islandscape. You know, I love to do those just as much as I do a regular tablescape. So this is my Hop into Spring centerpiece. You saw it featured on yesterday's video. It was a coffee table collaboration. And if you missed that video, I will leave a link in the iCards above. But I love this pop of color. I decided to leave up the other coffee table styling because it went better with the room and the colors that are in there. And so I decided to put these on my island. And I love the way it looks. So I have paired it with a canister. I picked it up at Home Goods before everything shut down, and this little crackle egg, I am loving it. You know I love my glam, my bling, and you know I love black and white, so I have also incorporated that into the islandscape. I am using my black velvet placemats, which you have seen many times before. I am using my hammer charger that I picked up off of Amazon several years ago. Just a plain Dollar Tree plate. My bird's nest is losing twigs. Let me get that out of the way. Just a plain Dollar Tree plate. And I am using a bread plate that I picked up from Home Goods. And these little bird's nest I picked up from Pier 1, and I absolutely love them. I think they pair well with the islandscape, with the little eggs, the pop of color nestled in there. Oh, so pretty. I am using my glam wine glasses that I got from Pier 1. And this is a mirror place setting and my napkins, and I am using a Totally Dazzled napkin ring. I am loving Totally Dazzled. Love all their products, their brooches especially, and their bling wrap. I have a video on a bag of goodies that I received from Totally Dazzled, so if you missed that video, I will also leave a link for it in the iCards above. But I absolutely love how this islandscape came together, and I hope you do as well. I am loving this little pops of color that I am adding in certain places. Not everywhere, because you know I'm still black and white. I'm a diehard fan. That will always be my true colors, but I do love this floral arrangement. So let me know what you think of this islandscape. I know it's a little different than what I normally do, but I like it. I hope you do as well. If so, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you decide to stick around and become a member of my YouTube family and join me on my YouTube journey. If you do, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And to all my faithful friends and family members who are returning, thank you so much for your support. I greatly appreciate it. You always leave such kind and wonderful comments, and you just warm my heart. I just absolutely love you guys. Oh, there's one other thing I wanted to show you on the little Easter bunny. Haha, I blinged out his tail. I gave him a bling tail using Totally Dazzled, and I think he's so cute. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. I hope you liked today's video. And again, you consider becoming part of my YouTube family if you have not done so already. I love to do DIYs, especially glam DIYs, modern home decor hauls, and home decor styling all together. So if you like those things, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I would like to thank Joan for hosting this collaboration. Joan, you always put on the most fun collaborations, and you do it to help people jump into the YouTube game, become more comfortable with putting up videos, and you are such a friend. Love, love, love. Love you, Joan. And thank you again for hosting this collaboration. I will leave a link to Joan's channel down below, as well as a link to the playlist of all the participants. So that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope you had an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.